Hello and welcome to another video, BeneFX Trader. Our website is www.benefxtrader.com. We say please like our videos, subscribe to our channel, click the like button, hit the notification button so that you get to see new videos when we release them, and make comments below the video. Ask questions if you are not clear with any part of the strategy we'll be sharing with you. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade Nasdaq 100. All right, I have Nasdaq 100 on my chart, 1 hour time frame, and I have 4 windows. I have the main window. This is the main window. This is my main window. I have indicator window 1, indicator window 1. It is indicator window 1. I have indicator window 2. This is indicator window 2. And I have indicator window 3. This is indicator window 3. Alright. The way this strategy works is on the main window, I have a Bollinger Band. I have a Bollinger Band on the main window. I'll allow price to drop below the mid band. Okay, I have the main band somewhere around here. Price drops below the main band somewhere around here. Okay, and then laps with the lower band for me to have my sell signal. All right, so now as I have a lap and the price start to hug the lower band like we have somewhere around here, then I know I should prepare myself for some downtrend. All right, so that's just basically how to use this strategy. Then also when the mid band, this is my mid band with the moving average within, the orange moving average within, when it crosses down on the black moving average around here, like you have a cross down of the entire Bollinger Band indicator with the moving average within, and it crosses down my moving, this black, the black, red and yellow, black, red and orange moving averages around here. Okay, if the mid band and the entire Bollinger Bands with the moving average within crosses down, I know I have my bearish trend, the start of my bearish trend. Okay, so I'll only look to sell. Well, if it crosses up, like let's look for where it crosses up. Okay, like okay, we're still in the bearish trend. We're still in a bearish trend. Okay, we have a cross up here. That will form the start of my bullish trend. Just a minute. Let me get back to, okay, somewhere around here. Start of my bullish trend. Okay. All right. So that's basically how the main window, how you use the main window. You have like a cross down. You have like a cross down here. Bearish trend. All right. And if it crosses up, bullish trend. Okay, start of bullish trend. The entire Bollinger Band structure, the entire Bollinger Band indicator crossing up, again crossing up above my moving averages around here. This my moving averages. Okay, When this Bollinger Band crosses up like you have here above these moving averages, then I know I have a start of a bullish trend. But if you go back in history and it crosses down like we have a cross down here, okay, crosses down like it did around here, then I have the start of a bearish trend. Okay, as long as the Bollinger Band and the moving average like we have around here, as long as it stays below, as long as these indicators stay below my moving averages, as long as it stays below these moving averages here, I'll look to sell. All right, and I'll start my sell when I have a lap around the lower band. Okay, so that's basically how the main window, how you generate signals for the main window. We can see that the Bollinger Bands, yeah, the Bollinger Bands with the moving average within stays above my moving averages, my moving averages around here. Okay, so I'll look to buy. All right, and where I'll place my buy trades when I have a lap, when the candlestick laps with the upper band. Okay, laps with, I can enter another buy trade somewhere around here, laps with the upper band. Okay, as long as it laps with the upper band and I have the red line, this red line stays above the blue, I place my buy trade. And as long as the Bollinger Bands, the entire Bollinger Band indicator stays above my black, orange and red lines here, I have a bullish trend. Okay, same thing, this is the start of the bullish trend when the moving average with the red and blue lines cross above the black, yellow, and it crosses above this moving average here. Sorry, I'll take it back. It crosses above the moving averages around here. Just a minute. Okay, when it crosses above the moving averages around here. Okay, I have the cross up. So this is my bullish trend, the start of my bullish trend. All right, so, and when I have a cross down, let's look for where, okay, we have a cross down around here. Okay, of the Bollinger Bands, the blue and the red line crosses down, the moving averages that I have here crosses down. Okay, below it, then I have the start of a bearish trend. All right, so I looked for particular zones where the candlestick laps with the lower band for my sell entry. For my short trades, where I have lap 1, 2 or 3 candles lap, then I also have the red line staying below the blue mid band line. That it gives me information that I should sell. Okay, if I have another lap, place more sell trades. Okay, like another lap here, another lap here, place more sell trade. Okay, so I quit my sell trade when the red line crosses above the mid band or above the blue line. I stop to sell, but we still the bearish trend until I have a cross up. If I don't have a cross up, like there's a failed cross up around here, the Bollinger Band didn't cross up above my lines here, so and candlestick starts to lap around the lower bound, then I take my sell trades again and scalp my some profit. Okay, so until I have a cross up, is a total cross up, and I start there. That signals the start of the bullish trend somewhere around here. So that's basically how you use the indicators on the main window. Let's look at the settings for the main window. Bollinger Bands, 20 period deviation is 2.0. Apply to close. Color is gray. Moving average, 200 period. Method is smoothed. Apply to close. Color is red. 14 period lightweight. Method is linear weight rather. Apply to previous indicators data. Color is orange. 50 period method is linear weight. Apply to previous indicators data. Color is black. And I have 13 period linear weight. Apply to close. Color is red. Then I have another Bollinger Band. 20 period deviation is 0.020. Apply to close. Color is blue. So that's that for the main window. Okay, now let's go to indicator window 1. Okay, take it back to where I started from. Started from around here. Okay, now for indicator window 1, you look for points where you have it. Look for turning points where you have the turning of the moving averages like you have around here. Let me delete this. Okay, let me leave that. Just a minute. Okay, you look for turning points where you have the turning, when you have the moving averages, like you have these moving averages around here. You have them going to the upper RSI area where you have 78 and 85, and then the moving average is now turned downwards. So that may signal a sell. That may give you a sell signal that you should go short. All right. Also, your confirmation is when the red, green, and blue moving averages also cross. It crosses like you have a cross here at the middle of the blue and the purple moving average. If it crosses down on the blue and the purple moving average, that's your confirmation that you can continue to sell. Okay, then you look to buy where you have the opposite of what happened when you sell, like when the lines touches the 22 and the 15 RSI levels and curves upward. Okay, that of a bullish, that's of a buy. That's a buy point. That's your buy point. A confirmation is when the lines cross above the middle moving average. The moving average is at the middle, like you have a crossing above here. That means you can continue to buy. Okay, so if I take it back, you sell when you confirm a turning at the 78 and 85 RSI levels. And your confirmation is when the lines, when they cross down on the lines at the middle. You have the purple and the blue line. When all the red, green, and blue line, or is it black line, cross down on the purple and the blue line like you have in the middle here, that's a confirmation that you can continue to sell. Okay. And then for when to buy when you have it turning at the 15 and 22 RSI level. Confirmation is when it crosses above, like you have around here. Okay, now let's look at the settings for indicator window 1. We have MACD. The fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to close. And the color of the main star will match the background color of the chart, while the color of the signal star is blue. And we have relative strength index, period is 10, apply to close. And for the levels, we have 15, 85, 78, and 22. Color is black. Okay, for the moving average, we have 200 period, linear weight, first indicators data, color is purple. For the next moving average, we have 250 period, linear weight, first indicators data, color is blue. And the third moving average, we have 1 period, method is linear weight, applied to first indicators data, color is red. And for the remaining moving average, we have 8 period, linear weight, applied to first indicators data, color is green. So that's that for indicator window 1. Let me take it back to the part where I started from. Okay, started around here. Okay, so that's the explanation for indicator window 1. Okay, where you buy and where you sell. All right, now for indicator window 2, just like on indicator window 1, where you buy at the turning, where you sell at the turning, and then you have a confirmation at the middle. You sell when you have the red and the blue line go above the Bollinger Band, the upper Bollinger Band, like you have the red and the blue line floating above the upper Bollinger Bands around here, and then dipping below, and it dips, the point at which it dips below the upper band. Okay, when it dips below the upper band and enter into the Bollinger Band, then touching or crossing down on the black line, that's your sell signal. Okay, when it goes above the upper band and then comes back into the Bollinger Bands, drops below the upper band and also touches the black line, then you have your sell signal. Same thing goes for buy signal. Let me take it back. Okay, same thing goes for buy signal. Okay, the blue and the red line goes below the lower band. Okay, goes below the lower band, then crosses and enters into the Bollinger Band from the lower band. Then by the time it crosses the black line, you have your buy signal. All right, although we have a black buy signal around here, but it failed. The buy signal failed somewhere around here. Okay, so that's that for indicator window 2. All right, when it goes above, like we have the red and the blue line going above the upper band around here, goes above the upper band around here. Then by the time it crosses down the lower band like you have around here. This is your sell signal. Okay, by the time it touches the black line, that's like a confirmation that you can sell. You can see what happened. Consolidation, then price dips. All right, so that's that for indicator window 2. Okay, and for scenarios where you buy, you allow a dip below the like a dip below the lower band around here. Okay, let's look for where it dips below the lower band. Okay, like there's a dip below the lower band around here. This is a dip below the lower band, and then price, the red and the blue line now crosses above the lower band, touching the black line somewhere around here for you to have your buy signal. So that's that for indicator window 2. Let's look at the settings for indicator window 2. We have MACD. The fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. The color of the main style will match the background color of the chart, and the color of the signal style is blue. Still on indicator window 2, we have Bollinger Bands. Period is 64. Deviation is 1.119. Apply to first indicators data. And the color is sky blue. Still on an indicator window 2, we have moving average. Period is 50. Method is linear weight. Apply to first indicators data, and the color is black. And still on indicator window 2, the last moving average. The last is a moving average. Period is 13. Method is linear weight. Apply to first indicators data. Color is red. All right. So we'll look at the fourth and the last indicator window, which is indicator window 3. Okay, sorry, excuse me. Now for indicator window 3, you have your sell signal when the red line crosses down on the green and the blue lines like you have around here. That's your sell signal. Your buy signal is when it crosses up like you have around here. This is a buy signal. This is a sell signal. Okay, cross down is a sell signal. Cross up is a buy signal. So indicator 3 is more like the trigger. All right, triggers that you should buy, triggers that you should sell. Okay, like this particular part of the indicator window is a sell, is a buy signal. Okay, this point is a buy signal, while this point is your sell signal or trigger. Let me highlight that point. Referring to this point, so sell trigger or sell signal. This is your sell, this is your buy trigger or buy signal. So if you combine all the signals at the same time and there's a synchronization of all signals, you can take your trade. There's a synchronization of all signals, you can take your trade. Now let's go to what is happening currently and see and try to spot a signal. Okay, currently uh we have a sell signal here. It's a sell signal. It's another sell signal, sell signal, and sell is lap, and it begins to lap with the lower band, sell signal. Also, when the red line crosses down, when the red line crosses down on the blue, it's a sell signal. Although we have a retracement, currently have a retracement somewhere around here, but price may continue downwards until the Bollinger Bands crosses down on these moving averages that we have here. Currently, the trend is bullish. It's a bullish trend. It's been a bullish trend for some time. All right, as long as the Bollinger Band stays above the red, the orange, and the black. I'm talking about these lines that we have here. As long as this Bollinger Band that I have here, this Bollinger Band stays above these lines, tells you we have a bullish trend, and it's been a bullish trend for some time. Up till this present moment, it's still a bullish trend. This is the Bollinger Band above this line. So this trend is still bullish, so we may have a retracement. And this downtrend, this bearish move may just be a temporary move before price will go back up. So that's it. That's the way to use the indicators to generate signals. You can use this to generate signals for Forex, for Euro USD, and other foreign currency pairs. You can use it to generate signals for use strategy to generate signals for volatility indices, boom and crash, step index. You can use it to generate signals for gold, XAU USD. Okay, allow a synchronization of all signals before you take your trade. So that's just it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Make comments. If you don't understand any part of the video, just state your question below the video. Make comments below the video. Also, please like our videos. Don't forget to click the notification button, the bell button below the video. Click it so that when we release the next video, you'll be the first to see the video. You can also go to our website, www.benefxtrader.com, to learn more about the strategies we have published in the past. All right, till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.